Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. Alright, so before I get started, of course, I have to tell you about my upcoming retreat in Spokane, Washington, because, I get new subscribers all the time and, some of you don't hear this message, but I will be in Spokane, Washington, June 6th to 9th for an all-inclusive lakeside retreat. If you want information for that event, there is a website in the description below the video. Click on the website link and it'll give you all the information, dates, times, price, what you get. I mean, it's all-inclusive. It's like you're going on a trip, all-inclusive. You get to learn with me for 4 classes, breakfast, lunch, dinners, alcohol, drinks, all of that, all inclusive into the price. So keep that in mind when you are looking at the website. Now, dried results of the last video. I mean, dried perfectly. So I'm not complaining about that at all. Definitely dried the way I wanted it to. I love this. I love these shimmers from the Arteza pearls. But yeah, it dried perfectly. Again, not the vision I had because this green was too emerald for me. So there was, first off, this is on a 14 by 18 inch canvas and it is available for purchase for anyone who might be interested in that piece. But in the comments, I had a few suggestions. Obviously, I took that Viridian Hue green out. Someone suggested to add a brown to the color palette, which I thought was a great idea. So I have done that. And then someone also suggested, instead of a white base, that I should do like a creamy camo base. And I thought that's an even better idea. So for those suggestions, I thank you. And that is what I'm doing today. So this is going to be my camouflage piece. Camouflage, that's what I'm calling it. So let me tell you the colors I'm using today. My base paint is Warm Gray by Amsterdam. And again, I still don't understand why they call it warm gray because this does not look gray to me. This is more like a light creamy brown. I mean, I don't know what's gray about that, but hey, it doesn't matter. So that's the base. Colors I'm using are Pearl Olive Green by Arteza. Then I've added the Pearl Deep Brown by Arteza. Then I have Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. Then I have some 24 karat gold by DecoArt. And then my made up concoction green, which I can't tell you what it was. It's from a previous video. So it's a made up color of green that I made, but I will tell you it is Amsterdam paints. So those are my colors, 5 colors. And I've got my base and I've got it in here as well, warm gray. And if you want to know how I mix my paints for the bloom technique, check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. Click on that link and it'll be a full tutorial on how I mix my paints with water and Floetrol using different brands and different ratios. I'm going to flood my canvas and I shall be right back. Okay, canvas flooded, and I forgot to mention it is an opaque color, which is great. So I love working with opaque. I mean, it's just easier for coverage. So canvas flooded, bubbles have been popped. Let's get going. Let's see here. I always think about what design or composition I'm gonna do. And I love my wispies and all, but I'm really loving the, U shape that I do. But I think I'm going to go the opposite way this time. Maybe that might be a bad idea. I'm gonna try it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it the opposite way, shall we? There. I mean, I always go the other way, so let's see what happens this way. So let's see. I hope everyone had a good Easter. I mean, I know I did with my family. We went down to Toronto, had a great Easter with the family, roasted some lamb on the spit. If you are on Facebook, you would have saw pictures. You know, I knew I'd get some controversial comments. I knew I would. I mean, it's not for everybody. No one wants to see a full animal, a lamb, being barbecued on a spit. I mean, so, you know, I had great positive comments, but I had a few not so nice comments. But hey, I expected it, and that's fine. I get it. People are vegetarians. People don't like the way it looks, and I understand that fully. I do. But this is a religious, cultural thing, and, you know, it's what the Greeks do. And boy, oh boy, was that delicious. It was great. You know, it's no different than having steak or chicken on the barbecue. The only difference is your steak and your chicken is cut up in pieces, and you buy it in pieces at the supermarket as opposed to the whole animal itself. But anywho, I digress. It is what it is. But we had a great time, and the food was delicious. So yeah, if you haven't seen the pictures and stuff like that doesn't bother you, go ahead and go check it out on Facebook. Had a great Easter. Oh, I guess I have to plug in my hair dryer. Won't work without it being plugged in. All right, let's get started. Let's go. I am so thrilled with this. This was my vision, minus not this base, but I mean, the suggestion was great and I love it. I love it. I only wish I didn't do this. I shouldn't have done that little bump out here. I should have left it with that nice brown streak. I wonder if I could kind of push it back. Let me see. Sometimes you should just leave well enough alone. Oh my gosh, I love it. This color palette was my vision. There's no emerald green in this at all. The suggestion of the brown, I'm sorry, I don't know who made it. Brilliant, thank you so much. The suggestion of the tan colored base, love it. This screams camouflage to me. This is stunning. This is camouflage, army, you know, totally. I nailed this one. I'm so happy with this one. Oh, I love it. I mean, I'm not a fan of like these colors. Like they're not like, I mean, you know, blues and purples are my favorites, but I can't always do blues and purples. Like, I mean, that would just get so boring. But this, I'm really loving this. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. I'm not touching anything. There's nothing I need to fix on here. I love the way I blew it out, even though it was a little weird because I went backwards this time as opposed to this way. But I love the negative space. There's not too much. There's not too little. I mean, it's perfect. It's perfect. So that's it. I'm going to fix my edges and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. Before we get to the close-up, take your stick and scrape those drips, okay? You don't want those drips there. Do all 4 sides. The drips end up pulling the paint off the edge and bringing it down, and just it'll continue to pull your composition. So you want to scrape those drips, all right? Scrape the drips, come back 10 minutes later and scrape the new drips, and then you should be good. I mean, come on. I am so thrilled with this piece. What is that white speck? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Boop. She's gone. All right, let's start again, shall we? There she be. And I mean, I cannot wait to turn the lights off and see the shimmer in here, because I mean, I had 5 colors, and out of the 5 colors, 3 of them were shimmers. You know, 24K and then 2 pearls by Arteza. But I mean, come on. I'm so thrilled with this piece. The suggestions from you guys were spot on. Let's check it out with the flash on. All right, flash is on. And the shimmer is definitely there. Oh, I love the brown. I love the brown shimmer in this thing. I mean, come on. This is stunning. Oh, look at that. It's like it's glowing. I'm so thrilled with this. This is going to be a perfect painting for anyone who likes camo, you know, camouflage, anyone who, you know, has a loved one in the army or something. I don't know, but this painting, or who just loves browns and greens. I mean, this is perfect. I'm super happy with this. Super duper duper happy with this. Well, there you have it, everybody. I would love to know what you think about it in the comments below. Did I get this one right? I think I did. Let me know. Again, don't forget, you know, information for the events coming up will be in the description below. I also have discounts to Loli Veffy, Crystal Resin, all that fun stuff. Just all these products I use. And yeah, and my Amazon links down there as well. So yeah, let me know what you think. This is available for purchase for anyone who is interested. You can email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. That is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.